hello. Welcome everyone to another fun session with the Children's Workshop. My name is Valerie and I'm going to be teaching you today how to draw some fun pumpkin-y things. So let's start off. All you're going to need today is a pencil. You might want to grab an eraser. If you'd like to color in your drawing when you're done, just grab anything you'd like to use to color it in. It can be colored pencils or markers. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, let's start off with a simple pumpkin, okay? I'm gonna start off here in the center of my page, and I'm going to draw a skinny oval shape. It's gonna be long and skinny, as ovals are. Now, I'm just drawing really lightly. I will make a darker line as soon as I know that this is the shape I want. Drawing really lightly with your pencil is a great way to erase anything that you might feel you want to adjust. So there I go with my oval shape, and now I'm just pressing harder, tracing it. So go ahead and do this on your paper. Okay, and now what we're going to do is do curved lines coming out from to the left and to the right of this. Okay, so this is the center of our pumpkin. I'm going to start on the left side here, and I'm going to start curving this out. So this is going to be a C shape coming from the top here, touching this oval, and then bringing it around and touching it again at the bottom. Okay, so we'll do this on both sides. There we go. Do it again over here. Remember that pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes. Some of them look really funky. Some of them are just perfectly round. So no matter what you have going on your paper today, just be confident that you are creating a pumpkin, definitely. There are no wrong ways to make a pumpkin. So as you can see here, I am again, just doing another C shape on the left side, bringing it back on the right side. This will be my last one here. These ones are a little bit skinnier, you can see that. And bringing it down and bringing it in. Now, if you want to make any adjustments, you can. So for example, I might want to widen the base of this bottom piece here. Go ahead and take your eraser and just make any adjustments that you want. Okay, I might bring this down more like that. So remember, there are no mistakes. I'm so sorry that the camera is shaking. That happens sometimes around here. So there are no mistakes, just do your best and have fun, okay? So now you have the shape for your pumpkin. We're gonna go ahead and do the stem here up top. So for the stem, it can go off this way or curve this way. I'm gonna go ahead and just let mine go this way. So I'm gonna start here at the top of the pumpkin and curve it to the left. I'll do another line parallel to that, so running alongside here, like that. Now at the top, what I want you to do is make a really skinny oval. It's gonna touch this side and this side, okay? I'll show you here. So I start on the top, I'm gonna do one side, and I'm gonna do the other side of the oval. You see that shape? So there you go with your stem. Now you can add some leaves if you'd like. Erase any bits that you don't want to see. And you know, if you'd like to do a little curly Q, you can. Sometimes pumpkins have these little curly Qs. Maybe it comes off this way a little bit. So something like that. And then you can go ahead and just add any details. So you can add some lines on your stem if you want to give it a little bit more texture and dimension. You can add some lines on your pumpkin down at the bottom. You can shade it a little, or you can go ahead and just color it in, okay? So now that we've done a pumpkin, let's go ahead. I'm gonna grab another paper, And we're going to do one more thing, which is a slice of pumpkin pie. Okay, so again, just using my handy dandy pencil here, I want you to make a line, vertical line, like this. This is going to be the side of the pie. So if you want a really thick piece, I guess you would make it longer, but we are going to just do our standard size pie here. It's going to be pretty big on the paper, but go ahead and just draw a line here. And now we're going to draw another line here. It's angling downward. See how when I go to the right, it's angling downward toward the corner a little bit. And bring it out a little bit more. There we go. Now what I want you to do, you see this line? You're gonna make another one from this corner, and it's going to run parallel to this line here. So here's the first line. You're gonna make another line like this. In fact, if you want to grab something that's straight, like this, you can. But I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm just gonna go work my way slowly. We'll do that light pencil touch again so I can make sure that I get it right. That looks pretty good. Now that I'm ready to press harder, I will go ahead and just make that a darker line so you can see it better. Keep going until it's about even on both sides. Once it's even on both sides, we're just gonna close this off with a straight line going down. Okay? Now once you're here, we're going to create the top of the slice of pie. Let me see if I can show it to you. I'll grab a couple pencils here. We're gonna do one line like this and one line like that, okay? So boop, boop, just like that. You're gonna take from this corner, the top corner, make a small line like this, going toward that corner of the paper. And now we're gonna take this corner here and connect it to its friend on the right side. So bring this baby down. There you go. All right, here's our pie. Right now it doesn't have crust, so let's go ahead and add some crust to it. Along this edge here, we're gonna do a little cloud-like bumps, okay? I'll show you here. So I'm gonna start from the side and I'm just gonna bring it up and do little curves, kind of like when you make a fluffy cloud. Just keep going to the end here, just like this, okay? And now I'm going to get as close as I can to this line, but not all the way. And we're going to make a skinny crust coming down here. And do it lightly with my pencil so I can get it right. Like this. Past the corner, and you're gonna run it along the bottom as well. This is the crust of the pie. So just go all the way over. When you're done, you can always color this in. You can take a marker or a pen and you can go around all these lines that you did with pencil if you want to make them stand out even more. And now, if you wanted, here's a little bonus. Let's turn this into a really cute piece of pie. I'm gonna do a couple eyes here. Do one. It's like a kawaii style pumpkin pie. So I'm gonna do a circle here and a circle here. They're pretty wide. See those two big circles? Now on the inside, do circles on the top right, 2 more circles, and then you can color that in. So I'll just lightly color mine in. Think that this would be a fun one to use black marker on. If you have a Sharpie or a pen that's black, this is great. This part is great for that. But for now, I will just use my pencil. There are my eyes. And now you can just write or draw, any kind of facial expression. I'm going to do a little smile. And with the kawaii style, you want to keep the mouth pretty high up. Not right in the middle of the eyes, but just below where the middle would be. So see, this is center of the eyes right here. just a little lower than that, I'm gonna do a little tiny smile. Little curved line for a smile. You see that? And you can go ahead and color it in and do whatever you'd like. If you wanna add some lines to the smile like this, you can. Go ahead and color this in. You can color in your pumpkin. Nice, easy, festive drawings for you. Practice these, and you can even turn this into a cake. If it's someone's birthday, you can draw them a nice greeting card with a birthday cake. This doesn't even have to be pumpkin pie if you want to turn it into something else. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Subscribe to the channel if you like these videos, and we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.